Yes! Eating your biscuit, please! It's cat stuck in a basket! It's cat stuck in a basket. Kitty! What you doing? It's cat stuck in a basket. What is he trying to do? You trying to get out? Oh, good luck! Hold on. No, you have light. Ow! You have light. What you gonna do about it? You have light. You have lights. Oh my God! It moved. She's moving it. Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at it! Oh my God! Oh God! Oh my God! Look at her! Oh my gosh! What are you whining? What are you whining about? Oh. I'm sorry. The internet is full of cat videos. This is probably gonna be, actually no, this is my third cat video. Mom, come look at this. She's moving around.
Oh, yeah. I think it's hot when you hold that light on, buddy.
She put it on.
It's already hot.
What did you put it on? 61?
Yeah, it's just where it's been on so long.
Oh my God.
Let her out.
But the internet needs it. Ruby. Hey, kitty. Kitty, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh! Ooh.
Poor baby.
Okay.
Right.
Bye! You're free! I set you free! You need to thank me! You have to thank me! You're not gonna thank me? Dang it. She's not gonna thank me!
Look, she's back over there. Checking it out.
So, what is this? What is this, kitty? Repeat! Repeat! Okay, I'm just kidding. Here you go. Repeat! Now I must get stuck. Ow. No, hold on. Ruby, what you whining about? Bye! What? Bye. What's this? No. Ruby, what you doing? What you doing? Ooh, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Hey, don't start while I'm recording.
So that's how you do it. So that's how you talk to people, and I don't know.
Stop it.
You delete
Yeah,
it.
baby.
Stop.
That's not offensive. And that's
Stop.
my cousin Lori, and she and I were the only ones talking, and then I deleted it. I thought I deleted it.
Here, come on, Ruby. no, you lay down. Don't start this. Oh my... You do realize I'm recording on my phone, right? I have evidence. Bang.